Welcome to Did You Check This? Your go-to for fast, easy bike tips to keep your bike rolling nice, safe, and reliable. If you're riding a Tern with one of these folding handle posts, did you check that the lever that keeps it closed and safe is properly tightened? This lever is super clever to allow your handlebars to fold out of the way for transport and storage. It can loosen with time, and I try to check mine monthly. This is an important one for safety. And if you're a bike shop watching this, get in the habit of checking this anytime a Tern bike is in your stand for service. When you close it, it should be a hard pop. If it's not a hard pop, what you want to do is open it. And inside, there is a little bar that you can turn. If you're looking at it the way I am, you're going to turn it to the left, one click, and then try to close it. Again, if it's not a hard pop, open it back up, try one more click, close it, and keep repeating it until it is that hard pop. If you can't turn it by hand, it is a 6mm. If you want a safer and more reliable bike, make sure to check out these other tips. And until next time, stay well, stay good, and remember to bike more and worry less. Peace.